Today we are going to learn how to open and save Microsoft Excel document. To open Microsoft Excel on your personal computer, press the window key on your keyboard. A search bar appears. Type Excel. From the search result, click on Excel 2013 icon. The Microsoft Excel window opens. Select Blank Workbook. Then, once the Microsoft Excel window is open, select Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all. From the Home tab, pick a font for your text. Say Times New Roman. Select the font size of your choice. Say size 13. After inputting text and data in few columns and row, say students' academic performance with their entry score, Year 1 grade point average, and Year 2 grade point average. Select Ctrl S on your keyboard. Select the preferred location or folder, say computer, desktop, to save your file. Then choose a unique name for your Excel file. We'll choose the name Students Academic Performance. Then click Save.